In this video, we are going to see how we can show our liked videos publicly on TikTok application. So let's say that we have liked a specific video like this one. We like that video. Now we want to show all of that videos that we have liked publicly to the audience as well. Here's what you need to do. First of all, just move to your profile. From the bottom right hand corner, click on the profile icon, and then from the top right hand corner, click on the three lines. And from here we click on settings and privacy, and from here we scroll down until we see this interactions section that appears right here. So under this interaction section, we want to click on the like videos. So if it is set to everyone, just make sure to change it to only you. We'll change it from here, and that is all we have to do. After that, your like videos will appear publicly. And from here, if it is set to only you want to set it to everyone so that everyone should be able to see what videos you have liked. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.